When assembling a 2-sink drawer display, we must first ensure that the instruction sheet and hardware bag have been supplied to you in this packout. Once you have your display positioned in its final location, we begin by first removing the front panel and setting it aside for future use. We will also remove the 2 metal brackets located in the bottom portion of the display and set those aside for future use as well. Continuing on with step 2 of the assembly instruction, we will now install the soap dispenser and faucet supplied to you for this packout. Now in step 3 of the assembly instruction, we begin by first installing the drain clamp to the sink insert panel. Once you've accomplished this, we will then take the insert panel and rest it into position on the wooden supports as shown in step 3 of the assembly instruction. To complete this step, we will then reinstall the front panel from step 1. Lastly, in step 4 of the assembly instruction, we will install the drain clamp to the second sink insert panel. Then, we will install the 2 metal brackets to the bottom of the insert panel. Once you've accomplished this, we will then take the sink insert panel and install it into display as shown in step 4 of the assembly instruction.